Buying a hardware wallet is a critical step for securing your digital assets. It's essential to ensure you purchase an authentic Tangem wallet to avoid counterfeits and protect your funds. The first and safest way is to buy directly from the official Tangem website. This eliminates the risk of receiving a compromised or fake device, as the product ships straight from the manufacturer or their verified warehouse. Always double-check the URL to ensure it is the genuine site. Look for current deals or official bundles there. If buying directly isn't an option, you should use one of Tangem's authorized distributors or resellers. You can find a list of official partners on the Tangem website. Purchasing from these verified sources ensures you get a legitimate product. Be cautious of unofficial third-party marketplaces or sellers, even on major e-commerce platforms, unless they are explicitly listed as an official reseller. The risk of tampering is significantly higher when buying from unverified sources. Once you receive your Tangem wallet, there is a final, vital step: verification using the official Tangem mobile application. Download the official Tangem app only from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Do not use any links or QR codes found inside the packaging, which could potentially be compromised. When you scan your new cards with the official app to set up the wallet, the app automatically performs an authenticity check. The secure chip inside the card communicates with the app to verify two things: that the wallet was genuinely produced by Tangem and that the firmware is authentic and has not been tampered with. If the app successfully prompts you to begin the wallet creation process, you have an authentic, safe device. If the app displays a warning or a message indicating the authenticity check failed, do not proceed with setting up your wallet and contact Tangem support immediately. By sticking to official channels and utilizing the in-app authenticity check, you ensure your new Tangem wallet is legitimate and ready to provide secure, self-custody for your crypto.